Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I want to say you some mock exercise. Be ready, students? Everyone sit in a place. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Okay? Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay, children, sit in your places. Children, open your workbooks, ma. Applications. A pencil box has 154 pencils in it. How many pencils would be there in 4 such boxes? See? Chapter number 6. Multiplication. Okay. Pencil box. A pencil box has 154 pencils in it. How many pencils would be there in 4 such boxes? See, 17th one. Number of pencils in one box. How many pencils in one box? 154 pencils in one box. Okay. Number of boxes. How many number of boxes here have? 4 boxes. Yes. Number of boxes. 4. What you have to do? You should multiply 154 into 4. Yes. Total number of pencils is equal to 154 into 4. 154 into 4. See? Ones, tens, hundreds. 154 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 6 here, 1 carry forward. 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 1 here, 2 carry forward. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. How many pencils are there? Total number of pencils 616. Therefore, 616 pencils would be there in 4 boxes. Understood, children? Write in the workbook, ma. Should write in the workbook. Children, 18th one. One chart paper has 371 words. How many words would be there on 3 such chart papers? See, one chart paper has 371 words. Okay. How many words would be are 3 charts? Such 3 charts. How many? You should find. See, 18th one, solution. Number of words on one chart. How many words? Tell me. How many? 371. S. Number of chart papers. How many? 3. S. Now, total number of words into 371 into 3. S. Ones, tens, hundreds. 371 into 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 sevens are 21. 1, 2 carry forward. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1, 11. What is that answer? 1113. Therefore, the total number of words in 3 chart papers would be 1113. Understood? Copy in the workbook. Children, long answer questions. 19th one. See 19th one. Ajay kept 675 stamps in a box. If he has the same number of stamps in a 13 such boxes, how many stamps does he have in all? See? 19th one, solution. Number of stamps in one box. How many stamps in one box? 675. Okay. Now number of boxes. Number of boxes. How many number of boxes are there? 13 boxes. Yes. The total number of stamps in the all boxes you should find. Yes. Total number of stamps in all the boxes is equal to 675 into 13. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, 675 into 13. Yes. First, what you have to do? In the ones place, which number is here? 3. In the 3, you should multiply these 3 numbers. Yes. 3 5s are 15. 5 here, 1 carry forward. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 2 here, 2 carry forward. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Yes. Again. Plus, because 1's place over. Now 10's place. 10's place 1 is here. 1 into 5. 1 5's are 5. 1 7's are 7. 1 6's are 6. Now what you have to do? You should add this 2. 5 plus 0 anything is there? 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 2. 6 in a mind, take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. What is that answer? 8,775 is the answer. Yes. Now, therefore, there are 8,775 stamps in 13 boxes. Understood? Children, 20th one. See, 20th one. What is that? A container can hold 720 spoons. How many spoons can be kept in 12 such containers? See, One container hold how many spoons? 720 spoons. But 12 such containers, how many spoons it will hold? You should find. Yes. 20th solution. The total number of container. Total number of containers how many? 12. Total number of spoons in one container is equal to 720. Yes. Total number of spoons in all the container is equal to 720 into 12. See, what is that answer will come? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See here, 720 into 12. Yes. Now ones place which number is here? 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 twos are 4. 2 sevens are 14. Yes. Now 1 zeros are ones place over plus symbol you should keep. 1 zeros are 0. 1 twos are 2. 1 sevens are 7. You should add this 2. 0 plus 0 0. 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 2 6. 7 plus 1 8. What is that answer? 8640 is the answer. Yes. Therefore, a total of 8640 spoons can be kept in 12 such containers. Understood? Copy. Children, higher order thinking skills ma. Multiply 23 and 10. Multiply 23 and 10. 23 into 10. What you have to do? Tens place, ones place. S. Base value chart. (23 into 10). See, 0 3s are 0, 0 2s are 0. Okay. Plus 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Only, what is that answer? 330 is the answer. Understood? Next, this is A1. Okay. B1. What is that? 4 and 100. 4 into 100. What you have to do? Again, 100 into 4. Yes. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. What is that answer? 400 is the answer. Understood, children? Now, next question. What is that long answer question? What is that long answer question? 22nd one. Which two numbers are such that their difference is 2 and their product is 2? Is less 2 less than 50? See? Which two numbers are such that their difference is 2 and their product is 2 less than 50? See? As the product is 2 less than 50, product is equal to 50 minus 2 is equal to 48. Yes, 48 can be written as 8 into 6. 8 6 are how much, ma? 8 6 are 48. Also the difference between between 8 and 6 is 2. Therefore, the two numbers are 8 and 6. Understood, children? Write